How to plant green eggplant in a pot for fruit plants at home for beginners. Salom Melodia eggplant is one of the fruits that produce fruit for vegetables. Eggplant comes from India and Sri Lanka. This eggplant plant can grow to a height of 40 to 150 inches. Leaves of eggplant large, 10 to 20 centimeters for its length and 5 to 10 centimeters to the width, and has a rough lobes. Eggplant plant stems are usually thorny. Flowers on eggplants have white to purple with 5 lobes in the flower crown and yellow stamens. Eggplant fruit is white, purple, green, and others. Eggplant is useful as an antioxidant to prevent cancer and can bind to excess iron, which can increase the risk of heart disease. Here's how to plant green eggplant in a pot for fruit plants at home for beginners. 1. Preparation of green eggplant seeds. Green eggplant nurseries are the same as other types of eggplant nurseries. Select a fruit terroir gold green and let it rot on the tree. If decaying, download eggplant seeds are then dried for 3 days until it is completely dry. But if you don't want to bother, you can buy green eggplant seeds at the farm shop. After the green eggplant seeds are obtained, then the seedlings are seeded. Prepare the seedling area in advance about 50 inches by 50 centimeters. The land on the land is loosened by hoeing. After it is quite loose, so that the soil is more fertile, then sprinkle with manure or compost. After that, spread the green eggplant seeds to the seedling medium to then close again with the planting medium. If possible, give the lid over the nursery area with a height of 30 to 40 centimeters from the ground so that the seeds do not scatter when watered or when exposed to rain. Wait until a few weeks or after the green eggplant seedlings have 4 to 5 leaves. Seedlings planted eggplant can be moved into a polybag or pot planting. 2. Place preparation and green eggplant planting media. Prepare a planting place in the form of a medium-sized polybag or pot about 40 inches by 50 centimeters. While the planting medium must be prepared, that is a mixture of soil and manure with a ratio of 3 to 1. The media is inserted in a polybag and let stand for about 2 days. 3. Green eggplant planting. If everything is ready, immediately do the planting. Seedlings on the seedling media are carefully removed so that they are not damaged. Make planting holes as deep as 5 inches to 10 inches in the planting medium. Then enter the green eggplant seeds into the planting medium. We recommend that each planting polybag be filled with 1 green eggplant seed. 4. Maintenance of green eggplant plants. Do regular watering, that is every morning and evening. Watering is done in moderation and adjusted to the conditions of the planting medium in a planting polybag /pot. Do it anyway, weeding the weeds or other vegetation that grew around the plant, and also do green eggplant fertilization using a fertilizer containing potassium, sodium and phosphate. 5. Harvesting green eggplant. Green eggplant harvest time can be done after the plants are around 70 to 80 days after planting. The next harvest can be done every 3 to 7 days after the first harvest. Harvesting is best done in the morning or evening. That is how we discussed how to grow green eggplants in pots for fruit plants at home for beginners. Hopefully the video that we present can be useful for all of us. Also watch our next video every day at 6 p.m. See you later and thank you for visiting our channel.